The fastest way to see the desktop is to use a keyboard shortcut. We can press Win+D to minimize all open windows so you can see the desktop and interact with it. Repeat to put all the windows back in their place. Win+M is another keyboard shortcut, which is identical to Win+D, but it can't be reversed, so pressing it again will not restore the windows. We can also go to the desktop through the Power User menu. Just right-click the Start button, then select Desktop. The previous method works well because it's built into Windows 11, but it's easy to forget it's there because it's invisible until the mouse hovers over it. An alternative method is to make a shortcut that, when pressed, will serve the same purpose. Only with this trick the shortcut will sit next to your other taskbar icons and will be much easier to spot. So, let's get started. Right-click the desktop and go to New. Click Shortcut. Copy the script into the text box. You can find the script in description. Click Next, then Finish. Name the shortcut whatever you want, and then press Finish. Right-click the shortcut and select Properties. Click Change Icon button. Select an icon you like. Click OK. Then, click Apply and OK. Drag the shortcut onto the taskbar. Let's test it. You could delete the shortcut on the desktop. Deleting it will not affect the functionality of the buttons on the top of the taskbar. Thanks for watching. See you next time.